kaya mo in terms of balancing. If one can overcome hurdles, others can do so. I take both trainings and studies. Completely different. When I study, I'm just a student. Pero when I train, I'm an athlete. I remember na nung nagsa-start pa lang ako sa NUDC, yung pinaka naging struggle ko is stepping out of my comfort zone. Sobrang mahiyain ako, meron akong self-doubt. Nagfo-fall ako na hindi ako nalaline up sa mga gigs and I almost quit sa NUDC. Yung dating akala ko hindi ko kaya ko na siya. Although busy, there's still spaces for breakdowns when I'm just on my own. And knowing that I have my colleagues, I have my teammates, they are rooting and believing in me makes everything bearable. My family, my loved ones, they consistently support me financially and morally. At sobrang laking tulong na para magpatuloy. And of course, my coaches for honing me and molding me to become not just a dancer but also to become an artist, a leader. So for all of you who has been struggling with different commitments, I encourage you to look for someone you look up to and always go back to your whys. Bakit ka nag-start? Yung mga dating kakayanin ko ba turns into kinakaya ko.
Kung kaya ko,